Okay, what's up guys? Back at you again with another Sofirn flashlight review. Yes, I know, excellent.
Excellent.
We have the SP32A version 2.0, which is essentially very similar to the SP32A, which I did the review on a while back. But this has a few improvements. Let's see, it has advanced temperature regulation, ATR technology, battery indicator, and high quality reflector, and a few other different mode settings in it. So let's go take a look at it here. I'm so excited. I love me flashlights, guys. Ooh. Here it is. Belt clip is connected already. The button on it right off the bat is different, and you can see it is version 2.0. And we have the do not eat, and we have the battery charging cradle, USB cable, lanyard, and a couple extra O-rings that Sofirn likes to give you. That's good. They have instructions. If you're happy with it, you can contact them. It does have an 18-month warranty. Okay, let's look at the reflector. I hope this comes up on camera. Kind of hard to see. This is the new version 2.0 right here, and then this is the previous version. And I hope you can see on camera, the reflector does look a little better on this one, and it does get closer to the LED chip. And this one has more, the previous version has like more of an open space right there versus the new one here. 2.0 gets closer to the LED chip. Let's look at the battery. It's a 3000 milliamp Sofirn battery, 18650 cell. These are really good batteries. I don't have any complaints with these Sofirn batteries. Screw this back on, very nicely machined, very clean, goes on easily. And we do have O-ring right there. We'll show you that. It's gonna be hard to see right there. It is IPX8 rated, which could go down to 2 meters. So this flashlight is waterproof. So let's turn it on. Turns on. There's the light, battery indicator. We'll turn it off for a second, and it stays on for about 5 seconds. So red means that the battery does need to be recharged. If it flashes red rapidly, that means the battery is really low and you really need to recharge it. And when it flashes green, or is green, it means the battery is fully charged and you have plenty of juice in it. So you're not going to be seeing the full lumens effect here, which I believe is rated up to 1300 lumens, which is pretty good. So we turn it on. This is group 1 setting, and you can just click and toggle through the various light settings. That's eco, which is pretty nice. Click it again, go up another level, another level, another level, and so on, and go back down to eco. So, and you turn it off, hold it in for a half second, very nice. And turn it on, just click it, and it does have a memory on the last setting you left it on, so that's very nice. I'm thinking this is going to be my new favorite flashlight, and you could put it into turbo mode, which I believe, I guess, is bright mode. Once it's on, just click it twice and you switch it to the turbo mode, and you click it 3 times to put it in strobe mode. So guys, turn off your computer or whatever, look away for this test. Some people like to see it, some people don't. So you click it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. There you go, it's pretty cool. Click it again, and we're back to the regular group 1 setting, to the eco mode where we had it last. Okay, so to go in group 2, turn on the flashlight and you hold the button for 3 seconds, and it'll start to flash like that. That means you're in group 2, which is a ramping mode. So you could micro adjust the brightness just by holding in the battery, going back and forth. By holding in the button, I'm sorry. And you can go down real low like that. And again, guys, the battery is not fully charged, and of course it is daylight, so. Okay, and then we'll turn it off, like so. And to put it back into group 1, you just hold it again with the light off for 3 seconds. And now we're back into group 1. Like so. So it does help to read the instructions here, because there is a little learning curve on these Sofirn flashlights, but this, so far from my experience, is the most user-friendly settings on the button here. And I do like how they have that battery indicator light on there, and I do really like how they hid the strobe and flashing settings out of the way, so you don't have to toggle through those, because really those are probably the least used settings. And how often are you going to need that, you know, flashing turbo or strobe mode setting? You don't. It's just kind of a most of the time it's an annoyance. I mean, most of us don't need to use that setting too often, so I really like how they hid those modes. And the settings on this are really user-friendly, switching through the modes. I really like this, how they did it here. This is probably my favorite flashlight so far. Okay, we're out here in the dark, on a dark trail again. Here's our light. And let me turn off the flash. I'm going to turn it on. See the green light indicator that stays on for 5 seconds to let you know the battery status. There you go. We are in eco mode. And again, the camera doesn't really do it justice. It's different in person. It's brighter in person. Double tap for turbo. That's probably the 1300 lumens. It's insanely bright in person. In real life, it is so bright, it's crazy. And we'll go click it again, go back to low mode here. It does get a little warm. This is a really cool light. I like it a lot. Alright guys, you know I couldn't forget the moist test. Let's turn her on. Alright, down we go.
Test your might.
We'll get it, make sure we get it very moist here. Go through the settings. Click the button. There you go. Got it all moist. Moistness test approved.
Impressive.
We got another one. We got another one.
Excellent.
2 for today.